Creating function. Objective: describe the use of function, create store function, invoke a function, remove function, and differentiative between a procedure and a function. Overview of store function. A function is named PLSQL block that return a value. A function can be stored in the database as a scheme object for repeated execution. A function is called as part of an expression. Syntax for creating function: create or replace function, kemudian function name, parameter, kemudian model, data type, kemudian return data type, kemudian is or as, PLSQL block. Creating a store function by using ESQL+. Enter the tag of the creating a function statement in editor and save it as a SQL script file. Run the script file to store the source code and compile the function. Use show error to see compilation error. When successful compile, invoke the function. Creating a store function by using SQL+. For example, getSalary.SQL. Create or replace function getSal. The ID in employee ID %type. The return number is face salary employee.salary %type 0. Begin select salary into face salary from employees where employee ID PID sama dengan PID, return face salary and getSal. Executing functions. Invoke a function as part of the PLSQL expression. Create a variable to hold the return value. Execute the function. The variable will be populated by the value returned through a return statement. For example, variable getSalary number, execute getSalary sama dengan getSal 117. Print getSalary. Advantage of user-defined function in SQL expression. Extend SQL where activity are too complex, too awkward, or unavailable with SQL. Can increase efficiency when used in the where clause to filter data, as opposed to filtering the data in the application. Can manipulate character string. Invoke function in SQL expression. For example, create or replace function text p-value in number, return number is begin, return p-value kali 0,08, and tax select employee ID, last name, salary, tax salary from employee, berdepartemen ID sama dengan 100. Location to call user-defined function. Select list of a select command. Condition of the where and having clause. Connect by, start with, order by, and group by clause. Value clause of the insert command and set clause of the update command. Restriction on calling function from SQL expression. To be callable from SQL expression, a user-defined function must be a store function, accept only in parameters, accept only valid SQL data type, not PLSQL specific type or parameter, return data type that are valid SQL data type, not PLSQL specific type. Function called from SQL expression cannot contain DML statement. Restriction on calling from SQL. For example, create or replace function DML call SQL p-sal number, return number is begin, insert into employee ID, last name, email, hire date, job ID, and salary, value 1, employee 1 at company.com, sysdate, semen, and 100. Return p-sal plus 100. And update employee set salary is HTML call SQL 2000 where employee ID 170. Removing function. Drop a store function. Syntax drop function function name. Example, drop function getSal. Decreasing or replace syntax is equivalent to dropping a function and recreating it. All the privileges granted on a function are revoked when the function is dropped. Procedure of function. Procedure or function. Calling environment procedure in parameter out parameter in out parameter. Calling for environment function in parameter. Comparing procedure and function. Procedure execute as a PLSQL statement. Function invoke as part of an expression, and procedure do not contain return clause in the header. Function must contain a return clause in the header. Procedure can return none, one, or many value, and function must return a single value. Procedure can contain a return statement, and function must contain at least one return statement. Datang soalnya, buat fungsi fn monhire untuk mendapatkan informasi mengenai bulan mulai bekerjanya karyawan, dengan catatan bahwa hanya Januari saja yang ditampilkan. Selain itu, beri informasi bukan Januari. Kemudian tampilkan dalam query as select untuk menampilkan semua data karyawan. Nama, hire date, dan monhire dari tabel employees. Contoh tabel outputnya sebagai berikut ini ada employee ID, last name, hire date, dan monhire. Kemudian nomor 2 adalah buat fungsi fninfo yang akan menampilkan informasi presentasi kenaikan, gaji lama dan gaji baru. Fungsi memiliki satu parameter untuk menampung kode karyawan. Syarat kenaikannya untuk kode departemen 10, 50, 110 diberikan kenaikan 5%. Untuk kode departemen 60 diberikan kenaikan 10%. Untuk kode departemen 20 dan 60 diberikan kenaikan 15%. Untuk kode departemen lainnya tidak diberi kenaikan. Kemudian tampilkan dalam query select untuk menampilkan semua data kode karyawan, nama, dan info dari tabel employees. Contoh outputnya sebagai berikut ini ada employee ID, last name, dan departemen ID, kemudian informasi. Demikian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.